send me back. Please send me back. I'll pray this time. I'll dump that girl this time. I won't play around with the girls no more. No more cigarettes, no more weed, no more watching things online, no more talking to the guys, no more music, no more disrespecting my parents. I will pray. Allah, please send me back. Tell these angels, hold me down for a second. Send me back. Just 2 minutes. Send me back. Oh, let me die with my head on the ground in sajda. Let me die. But Allah says, no. You will not be able to return. They will scream, Rabbi irji'uni. Send me back, my master, please. But they will say no. So the Salaf would lie down in the grave whilst they're still alive, and they would say this to Allah. They would say, Rabbi irji'uni. My master, send me back. Rabbi irji'uni. Send me back. Please send me back. Then they would come outside of their grave. They would look at themselves and they would say, Allah gave you a chance.